Hello. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Mote Chrome extension again. If you haven't already seen my introduction to Mote video, you might want to start with that one, and I will link that in the description box of this video. But as a general overview, Mote is an add-on for Google Classroom or just Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets that allows you to easily create voice comments and feedback. Now, in this video, I am going to be showing you a premium feature. So there is a free version, there is a light version called Essential, and then there is Unlimited. And I'm going to be showing a feature of Unlimited that is brand new, which is save and retrieve motes from Motebook. So that is like canned comments or a comment bank where you can actually reuse any of the voice notes that you have created. That is super useful because oftentimes you want to leave some really informative feedback for students to be able to correct their work, but that needs to be left on multiple students' documents. Well, here's your way to automate that. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to be showing you how this works in Google Docs, but you can also use this in Google Classroom if you use Google Classroom. So I can leave a comment, and once I have Mote installed, and again, that's a Chrome extension, you can watch my other video for more on how to get started with Mote. So I click to record a voice comment. So right now I am leaving a voice comment. When I'm done, press the done key. When I press the comment bubble, if you have this unlimited version, then it will actually transcribe the note. You can press the edit button to record a voice comment. And you can clean up any of the text that needs cleaning up, just like that. Now you can save that and exit, and that would just clean up the comment for this individual student. But what's new is that you can also press the Save As button, and you can save this in your Motebook as a canned comment that you want to reuse. So I'm gonna just save this as a sample comment, press enter, and I'm gonna show you how that works in a second. So now let's say we have another comment, add it, and then it says click to record or hold for Motebook. So if I hold down, then I can choose a comment that I already had created. So I can choose to reuse this sample comment, and it will simply reuse that. So it's like a copy and paste. And that works across different Google Docs. So say that I pull up this other wonderful essay and I go to leave a comment. Again, click and hold, and you'll see that that sample comment, I can choose it on a totally different Google Doc. So you can continue to make more comments in your Motebook. Let me go ahead and just delete this comment. And let's make another one. You did a really wonderful job on this essay. I am so proud of the hard work that you put into it. Let's comment and see how the transcription did. Perfect transcription. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit. You did. Save as. Let's call it wonderful job. Exit. And then if I go over to my other wonderful essay, and I hold down the Motebook, you'll see that now I have both of those comments. And at any time, if you were only using like this sample comment for a specific essay, but you don't want to save it forever because that will just bog down the number of comments that you have to choose from, you can simply delete this Mote and now it's no longer there. If you accidentally deleted something, don't worry, you could always go back to the comment, press the edit button, and save as again. Last thing is there is this translate button, and you can translate your transcripts into different languages. So that's really it for this video. I wanted to concentrate on the reusable comments because that can really be a huge time saver as we go through grading many essays or pieces of student work where we may want to give very instructional feedback to the student. And in those cases, it is particularly important to be able to reuse the feedback from student to student so that we make sure that our process is as efficient as possible for us and sustainable, right? So I hope that this video is helpful, and I hope that you're able to take good advantage of this. Again, here is the pricing. You do need the unlimited license to make use of these reusable comments. I will drop a link in the description box with my referral code. That should give you a trial upgrade so that you can check out how Mote works and how it might be useful and helpful in your classroom. All right, that's it for now. Bye.